y'all, it's your girl Shania Deshay back at it again with another video. We feeling good, we feeling great. Y'all probably wondering why my eyes looking like this. So pretty much Diamond is being crazy and she's doing a 24-hour challenge of being pregnant, and she's supposed to be having the gender reveal today. So I was like, might as well just include my wonderful face in the look. So that's why I'm doing a pink eye and a blue eye, and we're gonna find out the gender later on today, and I'm gonna have it on my thingamajig. So I just want y'all to let me see, you know, us being cute or whatever. If you notice something different, it is the eyes. I got the contacts, and like I'm just so happy with this beat. Like, oh, like I'm just so ready, y'all. So like
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
Y'all, we are using these color pink right there. So while we doing this, get ready with me. When I'm doing my makeup, it's kind of hard for me to focus, man. Oh, wow. You ain't got the answer this way. It looks so good, like on here. Like, I don't know, like maybe I got that splay. Oh, what I was saying earlier, what I've learned. I've learned that y'all like me talking to y'all like I can't even explain myself. Y'all like me talking to y'all. Y'all don't like the voiceovers. It's like, oh yeah, Shania, that was cute, but like, give me more. And honestly, right now, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh my god, this pink is beautiful. Using this light, this little light pink or whatever, it's gonna go on top just because, you know, you want a cute little transition color for yo. Should have had my AirPods in, y'all know why? Because I don't know, like me doing my makeup in silence, I don't know if I move faster or do I move slower. Y'all tell me what y'all do.
Funny thing is, I said that I learned from y'all that y'all don't really like the voiceovers, but like the voiceovers, and then now I'm doing the voiceover. Anyways, I'm just blending my makeup here, blending up that neutral color first that's on top, that light pink, and now I'm going back in and I'm hitting up that crease with a darker color. It's like a purple, and I'm trying to pack it on in. It's just a darker shade from what that hot pink color was, so I could define the crease for the cut crease glitter look that we are going to be doing today. Here, I start a straight line first that goes like across my lid. And then after I do that, I look up to get the concealer to catch like in the direction of where I would want my crease to go. So yeah, this is just the process of me doing my cut crease. It's kind of like hard for me, but it's not, because I'm trying to get the use of doing it. So if y'all struggle, it's okay, because we all struggle in some way in something. So don't feel bad.
going to be using glitter. Don't ask me where they from, because Amazon. That's it, that's all, okay? Glitter glue on my eyes, my lid, and I'm gonna keep my eye down because last time, it can crease up on your eye. What can crease up on your eye? The glitter. And I'm putting it on this way because, you know, I want the glitter to just tack on, so we can keep it pushing. And it's already kind of like willier. Already doing it. I should have moved quicker. Oh yes, oh look at that color.
So we're next using this blue turquoise color, and I absolutely loved it. I end up not using a transition color for this. I just kind of blended it up because it was so pigmented and so pretty. I just used that as well for my neutral color and just blended it out.
Yep. Okay,
so this navy blue, dark blue color is the color that I'm choosing to do in my crease to define the blue eye, to give it some volume, some lovey-dovey action on the eyeball with that pretty blue. Like, I love that. Like, I love it just because, like, it really could have been an eye look just by itself if I added a different color at the end. But yes, just look at that blend. Yes, sir. Beautiful. We love to see it.
Follow the steps. Follow the steps. With my hair, I just got to be pampered. Like, I don't want to do it. I want it to come out good, and I just want to relax and it be done. And I open my eyes. Wow, look at that. I look great.
So we're just repeating the same steps of when I'm doing my cut crease on the other eye. So, like I said, follow the steps.
guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. You know, we're gonna keep it cute. Okay. Peace and love to you guys.